Now, to help me out a little bit, I'm gonna have a stream of paints. That's one paintball, you're one paintball, you're one paintball. One person here. One person here. Paintball over here. Now this is the stream of paint coming. Okay? What we want to do is, when we run into a bunker, we want to try to cross this stream of paint. We want to try to cross it 90 degrees, like this. Now when the paintballs come flying here, if I cross that stream like this, the chance of me getting hit, come on paintball, boom, is bigger. So I want to cross the stream with a 90-degree angle as much as possible. Pam. Off the break is going to a bunker. It's not always best to go straight towards it. Usually it's best to run straight to the side to get through the stream of paint as quick as possible. Bang, with a 90-degree angle, run past it. Now stop, use your bunker as protection and go up to it. So it's not always best to run straight to bunker. Now we're set up, we have our stream of paint flying, and we're gonna slide into the bunker. What we're gonna do is we're gonna practice how far to slide. It's gonna look like this. Bam. So we get past this stream really, really fast. Once again. Bam. So, if we have good speed here, we can put this foot down to stop the slide and to use that speed going sideways to bring us up. Bang, like that. Always trying to land here because it's rock hard. You need to use your arms more when you run. What you want to do is you want to work with your arms like this, like a train almost. You know, bam, bam, bam. Because the arms is a lot of the speed when you run. So instead of holding your arms still, what you want to do is you want to work with your arms. Bam, bam, bam. Drag you forward in the run. Work with your arms. And not too much to the side, more forward. Good. I'm happy that you did this because I did it at one time in my life and it never, ever, ever helped me. Focus on just getting into the slide. Just run instead of putting the hand up because this slows you down. And you don't want to slow down when you're here because this is the danger spot. You want to go full speed and then focus on, bam, getting the hand down. Good. Good. Okay, just like the baseball slide, it's very important to get low before we shoot off into the slide. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure the gun is in a good position here. Like we cannot hold it sloppy, we got to be bam, really holding on to it, okay? And we're gonna go down on our elbows, so we definitely need elbow pads when we do this. Very important that our knees don't come down in the slide because we are gonna hurt ourselves if they do. Okay, so gun, steady, bam. Take a step forward with left foot, get low, right foot, get down. Place our forearms down like this. Elbows, we're gonna land on the elbows so we make sure the gun is up like this. Hold it up again. Now, when we shoot off, boom, make sure the gun, you hold your arms steady so your gun doesn't come back like this, because then you can hurt yourself, okay? So make sure you dedicate, you really go dedicated into the slide. You gotta make sure, no hesitation, okay? So knees up, make sure knees don't go in. From here, we shoot off and land on our belly and bam, spring our legs up, shoot our legs up like this, you know? So what we're gonna tighten is our arms and our legs are gonna go boom, boom. And no hesitation, all right? But what you can think about is you're gonna go down with your elbows first. It's almost like one of these things. That's how you break the fall, okay? So you gotta be, you know, you cannot hesitate. Okay, now we're gonna do it in a little bit faster. Go. Good, good. Usually you're very stressed about getting into the snake because there's always a lot of people trying to stop you from getting to a deadly spot like the snake. So you gotta make sure you go super, super fast. We're running to the left side, so gun in the left hand. Make sure you get low before you take off into the slide, right? It's gonna look like this. And then quick into the snake, bam. You run, you get low, and then just shoot off, right? I prefer to go in like that on one side. Boom, because then you can hold your gun and spring it off. Make sure it doesn't, bam, slam the ground like that, and you get really low. Also here, right before the danger spot, where I can get shot, I shoot off, bam, to get extra speed getting past that danger spot. But make sure you're low, because if you shoot off, when you're up here, you're gonna go up and then bam, down. So make sure you're down before you shoot off like that. Get low, 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 bam, like that. Now, when you do these slides, you gotta think about, here's the danger spot. So here, I wanna be low and I wanna pass quick. So prepare yourself here and start sliding right before that. And make sure you have enough speed so you just get past it. 100%, come on Spencer, you can do it. Down on the elbows, good. Good.